Unlocking the meaning of flip side in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that you might have heard quite often in English conversations: flip side. Whether you're a beginner or advanced English learner, understanding common phrases like this one can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's flip the script and learn about flip side together. The term flip side originally comes from vinyl records. A record has two sides, side A and side B. Side A typically contained the main tracks, the hits, while side B had less prominent songs. Over time, flip side began to mean looking at the other aspect of a situation or considering another point of view. In modern English, flip side is used metaphorically to refer to 1. The other perspective, seeing a situation from a different angle. 2. The opposite side of a coin, exploring the contrast between two different options or outcomes. 3. A change of circumstances, transitioning to a different phase or condition in life or a situation. Let's see how flip side is used in various sentences. Considering another aspect, the pay is great at my new job, but on the flip side, I have to work long hours. Discussing pros and cons. Electric cars are environmentally friendly, but the flip side is that they can be quite expensive. Life changes. I'm moving to a new city for work. I'm sad to leave my friends, but on the flip side, I'm excited for the new opportunities. The phrase has also made its way into popular culture, often appearing in music and movies. It's used to convey a switch in perspective or the revelation of something not previously considered. And there you have it. Now you know what flip side means and how to use it like a pro. It's a handy phrase to express a shift in perspective or to discuss the less obvious aspects of a situation. We hope you found this video enlightening, and on the flip side of hitting that like button, you'll also boost your English skills. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.